So today I want to talk about one small interesting tip that I want to share when you are working with a Drupal website and when you are working with views. Now let us say if you're looking at or you're creating a view, a page view or a block view, you can take a look at of course this view where you have different images, and for each and every view there is a title, and of course there is a layout. Now if you notice here on this particular page where I'm taking a look at all the courses, I have an image for each and every course along with the title. Now for some courses where there is no image yet, what I have is a default image that will appear automatically. Now configuring this is not very difficult. If you go to, let us say, your content type, so in this case my content type is course, I can basically configure this default image. Now if I go to manage fields and if I then go to the image, the actual image field, so in this particular case my image is field underscore featured underscore not this one, sorry, my field is this one, field underscore blog underscore image. If I click on edit, I can take a look at this default image that I have configured for any course where there is no image uploaded. Now this is of course the field called blog underscore image. If you are using the same field in maybe a different content type, so if I open my blog, if I open manage fields, I have the same image field here as well. And if I now show you the configuration of this image field in my blog, which is another content type, there is no default image set. So that is the good part or really amazing part of this particular feature of default image, where you can basically configure the default image for a specific content type even when you're using the same field everywhere else. So this is one small thing that I wanted to share with all of you today. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.